Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at LVGO. This is ticker LVGO. Now, if you looked at the major indexes today, it was a puke fest. The S&P 500, yikes. QQQ, yikes. GDX, yikes. I mean, just a lot of ugliness out there. Meanwhile, you take a look at LVGO, and it doesn't look like anyone really panicked out today. If I bring in the volume indicator here, less than average selling volume. So no real fear in this chart right here, right now. Now, the thing is, this company, as you may know, is merging with Teladoc. That's ticker TDOC. So Teladoc and LVGO are coming together, and LVGO, I don't know what that is, LVGO. LVGO is being bought out at a price of $159. At least that's kind of what I saw, $159 per share. And so, they're giving you a bunch of Teladoc shares and then a special dividend. I think it's like $11. But the price of this stock right now is $134. And so, if I'm looking at $159, that's about 18% higher than what it is right now. And so because of that, I believe there's probably going to be an underlying bid on LVGO that will stop it from crashing down through the 50-day moving average, because as long as this deal goes through, that money is coming into holders of this stock. Now, technically, like I said, it looks pretty good. It's above all the major moving averages. You can see how it has support down here at the 50-day moving average. And despite the fact that there is a buyout coming, I still believe it has a possibility to break out because it's kind of getting tight here. If I draw a downward sloping trend line, you can see how from this day that they announced the deal, you can tell how the market wasn't really sure about it, and then it kind of evened out a little bit. But we have resistance, resistance, resistance. We tapped against it today, but we didn't break down completely. As I mentioned, we're still above all the major moving averages, and today's pullback was on less than average volume. So there is still a chance that we could see higher prices here on LVGO. So I think it's worth having an alert at around $140 here, but definitely keep an eye on this because, like I said, the buyout price is $159. It's not there now, and so this could definitely be a stock that stays solid throughout this market volatility. I hope that video was helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. We'll catch you next time.